These awards, I think, are sponsored by Pfizer and awarded by the British Oncology Association. And they phoned me a few weeks ago to say I was getting a Lifetime Achievement Award, which was very much, I feel, an honour and a surprise. I wasn't expecting the call. I can only imagine that the award is because I've been involved over the years with several drugs for cancer, which have actually come through and been successful and been quite widely used. One of those was years ago. That was carboplatin, which is now used for everybody with ovarian cancer. Although the drug that's now used for mesothelioma, called pemetrexed, is marketed by Eli Lilly. I had a great deal to do with that development as well, and it's the only drug there is for mesothelioma. And since I've been working in Newcastle, we have developed the first of these new class of drugs, which are called PARP inhibitors, which are now being developed for genetic cancers and also for other applications as well. The carboplatin was developed in the Institute of Cancer Research in London, the Royal Marsden Hospital. The work on antifolates, which eventually led to Lilly making pemetrexed, I started that work in London but continued it in Newcastle. And then the development of the PARP inhibitors was completely in Newcastle. Well, you'll probably be aware that there are some kinds of cancers that run in families, and in particular there's one called BRCA that people often abbreviate to BRCA. There's BRCA1 and there's BRCA2, and if you carry one of those genes, you're very likely to get a number of different cancers depending who you are. So there's breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostatic cancer, pancreatic cancer. And the PARP inhibitors look as though they're going to be very useful for treating patients with those type of cancers. And they are really quite free from side effects compared with other drugs that we use. In addition, the PARP inhibitors look as though they may make conventional treatment work better for quite a broad range of cancers. So I think they'll become really quite a generally widely used new class of drugs in clinical use. Well, at the moment we're working on the development of the clinical development of the PARP inhibitors, and so we're looking both at the genetic cancers and also at using it in combination for other cancers.